Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need admin rights and a verified backup before you touch files. Start by locating the bumper car parking plugin folder and its config file. Open both. Once done, stop the server to prevent data corruption and export the current world state. Make a checksum or timestamped copy so you can revert. Then read the plugin's README or config comments to find the exact keys that toggle parking behavior, because changing the wrong setting breaks multiplayer sync. Now you will disable the feature safely. First, edit the config and set parking enabled to false, then save. If the plugin still loads, rename its binary file so the server won't load it on restart. Next, scan server-side scripts for spawn or parking function calls and comment them out rather than delete them. This lets you revert easily. Make incremental changes and restart the server between edits to verify that multiplayer sync remains stable and no players crash. Finish by restarting the server and watching the console for errors. Handle missing dependency messages first. Invite a small group to test collisions, spawns, and the absence of parking spots. Observe latency and physics anomalies. If something breaks, revert to your backup immediately and re-enable components one at a time to isolate the cause. One key troubleshooting tip: if players experience desync, re-enable the plugin and compare logs line by line to find the offending call.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.